To set up the Uniswap SDK, start by installing the required packages. The Uniswap SDK is a JavaScript library, so you will need to have Node.js installed on your system. Once you have Node.js installed, you can install the Uniswap SDK using npm or yarn by running the command npm install uniswap SDK or yarn add uniswap SDK. After installing the Uniswap SDK, import it into your JavaScript file using the import statement. The Uniswap SDK provides a range of functions for interacting with the Uniswap protocol, including functions for getting the price of a token, getting the liquidity of a pool, and swapping tokens. To get started with the Uniswap SDK, you need to set up a wallet and connect it to the Ethereum network. You can use a library like Ethers.js to create a wallet and connect to the Ethereum network. Once you have a wallet set up, you can use the Uniswap SDK to interact with the Uniswap protocol. One of the key concepts in the Uniswap SDK is the chain ID, which is used to specify the Ethereum network you want to interact with. The chain ID is a unique identifier for each Ethereum network, and you need to use the correct chain ID to interact with the Uniswap protocol on the desired network. To use the Uniswap SDK to swap tokens, you need to specify the token you want to swap, the token you want to receive, and the amount you want to swap. You can use the getAmountToSwap function to calculate the amount of tokens you will receive for a given amount of tokens you want to swap. Best practices for using the Uniswap SDK include handling errors properly, using the correct chain ID, and testing your code thoroughly before deploying it to production. It is also important to keep your wallet and private key secure to prevent unauthorized access to your funds. In summary, setting up the Uniswap SDK involves installing the required packages, importing the Uniswap SDK into your JavaScript file, setting up a wallet and connecting it to the Ethereum network, and using the Uniswap SDK to interact with the Uniswap protocol. By following these steps and best practices, you can use the Uniswap SDK to build powerful and secure applications that interact with the Uniswap protocol.